What's up guys, welcome back, you watching for today. This is Samsung Galaxy S26 and I have updated this device to latest OneUI 9 build. OneUI 9 brings lots of amazing features, we already reviewed some of them in our last video. You will find that video in the description and in iCard. But today we are going to review some of the more hidden features of OneUI 9 in details. We will start with the minor feature and at the end I will show you the biggest hidden feature of this update. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. The first hidden feature in One UI 9 is related to status bar. If you are using Samsung Good Lock and the latest version of Quick Start module is installed, you will find the new network speed indicator for status bar in Quick Start setting. Just enable this toggle and you will be able to see the network speed directly in the status bar. Next, in phone application under the settings you will find the new option called as other calling applications. In this section you will see all your VoIP calling applications such as WhatsApp, Google Meet and others. Simply enable their toggle. Now whenever you make or receive calls through this application, the call history will also appear in the Samsung phone application. However, I think this feature is currently buggy and isn't working properly on Galaxy S26 running with the One UI 9. Next is very useful security feature. If you are using PIN or password to lock your device, and if you go to the lock screen and AOD settings under the secure lock setting, you will find a new option called as secure lock with the power button. After enabling this option, if someone tries to turn off your device using the quick setting power button, and then cancels the shutdown by swiping back, they have to enter the PIN or password before they can use device again. This feature is especially useful if someone steals your phone. Thieves usually try to switch off the device immediately. If your phone is locked and they attempt to turn it off using the power button or quick setting power menu, they will have to enter your PIN or password before they can proceed. This is a great additional security feature, but it's only useful when the device is already locked. Samsung should make it work even if someone tries to power off the phone while it's in unlock condition. The next feature is Samsung has added the new waveform animation for media player tile in a quick setting, and it also works on the navbar. This feature seems to be inspired by the custom ROM community. To check the next feature, you have to go to the settings, connections and Wi-Fi. Here tap on the three-dot menu and repeatedly tap on the intelligent Wi-Fi option. This will unlock the new option called as Connectivity Labs. In the One UI 9, Samsung has added the new AI Network Guard feature. Using this feature, you can create the Guardian PIN and can restrict the network access for specific applications. Simply set your password, tap on the Restrict Applications and you will see the list of all users and system applications which have the network access. From here, you can directly restrict the network access for any applications. Select the application and tap Confirm. The restricted application list will be available when you go back. Now whenever you try to use these applications, you won't able to access the internet and they will become unusable. They will also display an access block notification. This is one of the best way to restrict application users for your children. In the additional setting, you will also find extra toggles such as restrict browsers and restrict games, which allows you to block the internet access for the browsers or the gaming applications installed on your device with just one tap. By using the downtime option, you can also set the specific time period during the day when the internet access for these applications will automatically be restricted. You won't need to enable or disable the restriction manually. The next feature in One UI 9 is the Samsung has added the new vertical layout option for dual recording in the camera application. This is especially useful for the recording Instagram and the Facebook Reels in the 9:16 aspect ratio. You can record using either the front selfie camera or the main rear camera. You can also edit the dual recording later and can separate the front and the rear camera videos. However, this mode currently only supports 180p at the 30fps recording. The last major feature of this update is the new driving report. You will find it under the Connected Devices option. This feature tracks all your driving journeys, analyzes your driving habits and the patterns, and generates a weekly report. Simply grant all the required permissions and select your vehicle and connect it via Bluetooth. After that, every journey you will complete will be recorded in this application. I haven't done much traveling yet, but in the coming days I will test this feature properly and will upload a separate video showing how this feature is useful, how it works, and how it can help to improve your driving habits. These are all the new hidden and useful features of OneUI 9 beta update. Today I also received the new beta 4 update on my Galaxy S26, which includes several bug fixes for issues reported by users. I will install this update and will release a detailed review video covering all the changes, so stay tuned to our channel. That's all for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.